So unless you're rich like Mr. Moneybags here, you might be interested in our financing programs.
Hey, this is John with Beaver Creek Golf Carts. Are you looking for a golf cart, or has one of our carts already got your eye? If you don't have enough to pay for it outright, it's no problem. Here at Beaver Creek Golf Carts, we have multiple finance options, including $0 down with approved financing, and I'm here today to show you how easy it is to apply. This is the homepage to our website, beavercreekgolfcarts.net, and there is a lot for you to explore, but let's focus on this financing tab today. This page makes it very simple for you to apply. Just click Apply Now to get started. It will probably open a new page or a tab for you to Sheffield's website. Here, you will enter your phone number and the last 4 digits of your social security number and click Continue. It'll probably send you a verification text message. Click that to verify it, and the page will refresh, and you will then see this page to get started. This is where you will choose if you're purchasing a new or a used golf cart. If you're purchasing a used golf cart, you'll click here. You're just going to select pre-owned golf cart. Your model type is just going to be golf cart. And then you're going to click either club car or easygo. And then type in the amount you're looking to finance and fill in your personal information down below. And that's it. If you decide to go for a new golf cart, same thing. You're going to probably select either club car or easygo, and if you select club car, you're probably looking at an onward and a onward 4-passenger. If you know exactly which one you're buying, you can click yes here, but you can probably just click no and we can fill it in for you when you go to finish everything. And again, if you decide on an easygo, you'll probably need the dash here for easygo. Your model type is going to be golf cart, and your subtype will depend on which cart you're buying. It's probably either going to be an express or an RXV, which you could probably click Freedom for. Same thing, probably just click no and we'll fill it out for you when you're done, and fill in your personal information and click pre-qualify. Once that's done, you should get a account number that's roughly 10 digits long. Bring that account number into us and we'll do the rest for you.